Hello, good morning. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? இந்த வீடியோவில் I am going to teach modulus of the complex number and properties of modulus of the complex number. இந்த கான்செப்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க போகிறேன். இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு நடுவில் புரியாமல் போயிடும். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். First point, the modulus of a complex number measures the distance of that complex number from the origin in the complex plane. இப்போ ஜெனரலாக ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் is z is equal to x plus nv. ஒரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பரை we can write in ordered pair form. Each complex number represents a point in the complex plane. அப்போ இந்த z-க்கு நம்ம p-ங்கிற ஒரு பாயிண்ட் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணால் ஆர்டர் பேர் வந்து x, y. p x, y is a point in the complex plane. அப்போ காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் பிளேன் என்ன? ஒரு ரியல் ஆக்சிஸ், ஒரு இமேஜினரி ஆக்சிஸ் வேணும். இது வந்து இமேஜினரி ஆக்சிஸ், இது வந்து ரியல் ஆக்சிஸ். இப்போ இந்த p-ங்கிற பாயிண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பர் ரியல் பார்ட் பாசிட்டிவ், இமேஜினரி பாசிட்டிவ், இட் லைஸ் இன் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குவாட்ரண்ட். இது ஆரிஜின். அப்போ இங்கே தான் லொக்கேட் ஆயிருக்கு p x, y. இந்த பாயிண்ட்டுக்கும் இந்த ஆரிஜினுக்கு கனெக்ட் பண்ணால் we will get a distance. This distance, the point of the complex number where it locates, அந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ்க்கு பேர் தான் modulus of the complex number. If we draw pm perpendicular to real axis, the length pm is nothing but your y, அதே im of z. The length OM is called XA, that is RE of z. Triangle OMP is a right angle triangle. We can satisfy Pythagoras theorem. OP square equal to OM square plus PM square. OP square equal to OM square plus PM square. OP square equal to x square plus y square. Therefore, OP is root of x square plus y square. OP is the modulus of the complex number z is equal to root of x square plus y square. Therefore, modulus of z is equal to square root of x square plus y square. That's it. We have to find the modulus of a complex number. To find the modulus of a complex number, z is equal to x plus iy. Real part square பண்ணணும், imaginary part square பண்ணணும், add பண்ணணும், root எடுக்கணும். Second part. If z is equal to x plus iy, then the modulus of z is denoted by modulus of z. Z ரெண்டு vertical line போட்டா அதான் modulus of z. Is defined by modulus of z is equal to root of x square plus y square. The modulus of a complex number is always a non-negative real number. Next, properties of modulus of a complex number. First property, z into z bar equal to modulus of z square implies modulus of z equal to square root of z into z bar. இப்போ first property prove பண்ணலாம். Z is equal to 1 plus I. What is Z bar? Imaginary part of sign மாத்தினா 1 minus I. What is modulus of Z? Root of 1 plus 1, root 2. Modulus of Z bar 1 plus 1. Square root of 1 minus 1 the whole square of 1 upper root 2. Modulus z the whole square. Root 2 the whole square equal to 2. Z into z bar. 1 plus I into 1 minus I is equal to a plus b into a minus b. 1 square minus I square equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. See the first property, z into z bar is equal to modulus of z square. Z into z bar is 2. Modulus of z square is also 2. Therefore, first property is over. Z into z bar equal to modulus of z square. That implies modulus of z equal to square root of z into z bar. Property number 2, modulus of z equal to modulus of z bar. Z ஓட மாடுலஸும் அதோட கான்ஜுகேட்டோட மாடுலஸும் ஈக்குவல். பாருங்க, z 1 plus 8 modulus of z is 2, z bar is 1 minus 8, modulus of z bar is also 2. Therefore, modulus of z equal to modulus of z bar. Then this property I will prove separately. Then modulus of z1 into z2 is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Now, we know that modulus of z1 z2 the whole square equal to z1 into z2 into z2 z1 into z2 the whole bar. In the property, first property, z into z bar equal to modulus of z square. அப்போ modulus of z square equal to z into z bar. இப்போ இதை எப்படி எழுதலாமா? இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா z1 into z2, இதை வந்து z1 bar into z2 bar. In properties of conjugate z1 into z2 the whole bar equal to z1 bar into z2 bar. இப்போ அந்த நாலு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பரை குரூப் பண்ணா z1 into z1 bar, z2 into z2 bar. இப்போ z to z1 bar is modulus of z1 square. z2 bar is modulus of z2 square. அப்போ இது வந்து modulus of z1 into z2 the whole square. இப்போ taking square root எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா modulus of z1 z2 is modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. That is it. Property number 4. Property number 5, modulus of z1 into z2 till zn. If we extend to n complex number is equal to modulus of z1 modulus of z2 into modulus of z3 till modulus of zn. Property 6, z1 by z2 the whole modulus is equal to modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2 provided z2 not equal to 0. If I take z1 equal to 1 plus I, z2 equal to 1 plus 2i. Then find z1 by z2. z1 by z2 na 1 plus I divided by 1 plus 2i. இப்போ கான்ஜுகேட்டால மல்டிப்ளை டிவைட் பண்ணா 1 minus 2i by 1 minus 2i. இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 1 into 1 1 minus 2i plus I minus 2i square. இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா a plus b into a minus b 1 minus 4i square. இப்போ இதை சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணா 1 minus I இது plus 2 by 1 plus 4 is equal to 3 minus I by 5. z1 by z2. Now z1 by z2 the whole modulus is equal to 3 plus I by 5. Modulus of z1 by modulus of z2 1 minus I by 1 minus 2I. Multiply divide by conjugate of the denominator 1 plus 2i by 1 plus 2i. So multiply பண்ணா 1 into 1 1 plus 2i minus I minus 2i square divided by 1 minus 4i square is equal to இது 1 இது வந்து plus 2 ஆயிரும் 3 plus I by 5. 3 plus I by 5. Modulus of z1 by modulus of z2 equal to 3 plus I by 5. இங்கே modulus of z1 by z2 the whole modulus of 3 plus I by 5 both are equal. Both are equal. Therefore, z1 by z2 the whole modulus is equal to modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2. That is property number 6. Then real part of z less than or equal to modulus of z and imaginary part of z less than or equal to modulus of z. Say, keep z is equal to 3 plus 4i. Z is equal to 8. Z is equal to 4i. I have written 3 complex number. It is both the parts are there. In the z la imaginary part illa, it is purely real number. இது z la imaginary part இருக்கு, real part இல்ல. இது purely imaginary number. இந்த z வந்து 8 plus 0 ஐ எழுதலாம். இந்த z 0 plus 4 ஐ எழுதலாம். Modulus of z. Modulus of z is 9 plus 16. Modulus of z equal to 5. இப்போ both the parts are available. ரெண்டு பார்ட்டுமே available இருந்தா real part of z is 3. Real part of z is 3. Imaginary part of z is 4. 3 less than pi. 4 less than pi. Therefore, real part of z less than modulus of z. Imaginary part of z is also less than modulus of z when both the parts are there. Here, modulus of z equal to root of 64 plus 0. அப்போ என்ன வரும்? 80 தான் வரும். What is real part of z? Real part of z is also 8. Real part of z is equal to modulus of z. எப்போ? When a complex number is purely real number, real part of z is equal to modulus of z. இங்கே பாருங்க, modulus of z. இந்த complex purely imagine modulus of complex. இதில் modulus of complex வந்து root of 16 3 to root 4. அப்போ Im of z is also 4. Im of z equal to modulus of z when it is a purely imaginary number. When a complex number is purely imaginary number, imaginary part of z is equal to modulus of z. When z is purely real number, real part of z is equal to modulus of z. When a complex number has both the parts, the real part of z less than modulus of z, imaginary part of z less than modulus of z, therefore we don't know a complex number will have both the parts or purely real or purely imaginary. Therefore, now in all these three considerations, you can say real part of z less than or equal to modulus of z and imaginary part of z less than or equal to modulus of z. Then property 9, 10, 11, 12 and this will be the two complex numbers. Then z1 equal to 3 plus 4i. z2 equal to 5 minus 12i. z3 equal to 6 plus 8i. We will find modulus of z1. Modulus of z1 equal to root of 9 plus 16 root 25 equal to 5. Modulus of z2 root of 25 plus 144 is equal to root 169 equal to 13. Modulus of z3 equal to root of 36 plus 64 root 100 equal to 10. z1 minus z2 is equal to 3 plus 4i minus 5 plus 12i is equal to minus 2 plus 16i. z1 minus z2 the whole modulus equal to square root of 4 plus 256 is equal to square root of 260, say approximately 16.1. Keep approximately 16.1. Then z1 plus z2. z1 plus z2 is 3 plus 4i plus 5 minus 12i is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 8i. Modulus of z1 plus z2 is square root of 64 plus 64 equal to root of 128. 11 11s are 121. Appa is greater than 11. Say approximately 11.2. You keep 11.2. Approximately only 2. Now we will put 1. What is the first property? Property number 3. Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. Z1 plus Z2, the modulus is 11.2 less than or equal to modulus of Z1. Modulus of Z1 is 5 plus Z2 is 13. So 11.2 less than or equal to 80. Third property over. Then property number 9. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2 greater than or equal to modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2. Because Z1 minus Z2 the whole modulus. Z1 minus Z2 the whole modulus. This is Z1 minus Z2 the whole modulus is 11.2 greater than modulus of Z1 is 5 minus modulus of Z2 is 13. Now 11.2 greater than equal to modulus of minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 or plus 8 now. 11.2 greater than or equal to 8. That is the property number 9. Then property number 10. Z1 minus Z2 less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is 11.2 less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is 5 plus 13. 11.2 less than 18. That is also true. 11 modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2 the whole modulus less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus Z2 less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. Modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2. Modulus of 5 minus 13 less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus Z2 16.1 less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z is 5 plus 3 18. See, this modulus of 5 minus 3 is modulus of minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 is 8. 8 less than or equal to 16.1 less than or equal to 18. This is also true. Modulus of Z1 minus modulus of Z2 the whole modulus less than or equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z2 less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. இது 5 minus modulus of Z1 is 5 minus 13 less than or equal to Z1 minus Z2 the whole modulus is 11.2 less than or equal to 5 plus 13 8. Therefore this is also will be 8. Modulus of Z minus 3 modulus of minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 plus 8 less than or equal to 11.2 less than or equal to 18. So that 12th property also proved. Now we have to 1 equal to x1 plus I by 1. Z2 equal to x2 plus I by 2. First complex number Z1, x1 plus I by 1, Z2 equal to x2 plus I by 2. Both represent a point in the complex plane. Suppose first point Z1 on the A point now, Z2 point B point now, we have to find the distance between the two complex numbers. This A represents Z1, B represents Z2. Now we have to, what is the formula to find the distance between the two complex numbers? Now, what is Z1 minus Z2? Z1 minus Z2 is x1 plus iy1 minus x2 minus iy2. Now, group the real and imaginary part. x1 minus x2 plus I into y1 minus y2. This is Z1 minus Z2. What is modulus of Z1 minus Z2? Is square root of real part the whole square. X1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. If according to coordinate geometry is nothing but the distance formula. Distance between x1 y1 and x2 y2 is square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square, or square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Both are same. Therefore, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 gives the distance between the two complex numbers. Therefore, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 or modulus of Z2 minus Z1 represents the distance between two complex number Z1 and Z2. That's all the properties of modulus of a complex number. இந்த வீடியோவை கடைசி வரைக்கும் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பார்த்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ்.